everyone, it's Emily at BOE Marine. We just completed a complete refit of electronics on the 460 Sea Ray Sundancer, and today we're going to take it out for the post-install Seatrial on the Reactor 40 autopilot with smart pump. Stay tuned. In addition to the Reactor 40 autopilot, we also installed the MSC 10 satellite compass on the roof to improve heading and GPS accuracy. So when we begin the Seatrial, we're actually going to start by calibrating the MSC 10 compass first, then we'll move on to the Reactor 40. The first step of the compass calibration is to turn the boat in 1.5 complete turns at a steady pace. So we're going to begin that process now. So go ahead and turn the wheel. We're going to make 1.5 turns. The next step is to bring the boat to cruising speed and a hazard-free straightaway for 45 seconds so that the heading can adjust. The next step is to bring the boat and the engines to a constant RPM, and the autopilot will take over and perform 15 zigzags to auto-tune the heading alignment. That's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in.